Ghanaian dishes and Ghanaian delicacies are always a hassle to make from scratch. But when you do make it on your own and from scratch, it is always worth it. Guys, join me as we make this delicious palm soup from scratch. The basic ingredient is tomatoes. You need a couple of them, about 6 or 7 tomatoes, depending on the quantity of soup that you are going for. I usually use 7 to 8 tomatoes because I make a large pot. I like to always cut my tomatoes and remove the seeds. I don't know about you, but that's how my mom raised me up. Now, you have to blend your tomatoes. Do not add water to this step. Next, you need onions. Onions always make your food taste so good. You can never go wrong with a lot of onions. Besides, we are making a large pot of palmnut soup. So you can use 5 large onion bulbs or 7 medium to small onion bulbs. Chop it up and then add it to the tomatoes and blend it up. No need for water, as I stated earlier. Next, put the assorted protein on fire. I usually use pig feet, also known as domedo, cow meat, and then I never forget stinking fish momone as my base, and then dry fish. This gives it a very sweet and authentic umami taste. Now pour in your tomato puree and then blend your peppers. Add it to the onions and blend it. You can do this ahead of time, but I simply blended it at this point and added everything together and stir. Keep stirring till everything is properly mixed. Keep it on fire and then leave it to work. I also did not add salt because there's salt in the pig feet. It's time to work on the palm nut. Remember the palm nut that we were pounding at the beginning? Yes, you have to add hot water to it. And as you do that, you sieve it. This wasn't hot at all. I had to add cold water to it. Now you sieve it thoroughly so that you avoid adding in fiber into your soup. At this point, your stock is tasting really good, and it is time for you to put in the palm nut extract. Now, boil some turkey berries, okay? And then count it, about 30 pieces. Don't overuse it because sometimes it might be bitter. Blend it and sieve it. After sieving it, pour the extract into your soup and it tastes so sweet, guys. This is how to make delicious palmnut soup. Add more water to the brim and allow it to simmer. Add in some dry fish. Any fish that you have, you can add it to it and it tastes so good. You can also add in some mackerel or any kind of assorted fish. You can add it at this point and leave it to simmer. Guys, there's one last thing that you can gain from palmnut soup. When you leave it to simmer at low heat, I repeat, low heat, you will be able to extract your own palm oil. Yes, you heard that right. You extract your own palm oil by fetching it off the soup with a ladle. It's easy as ABC, isn't it? Yes, you get your own palmnut soup and at the same time, you make your own palm oil. This is the quantity of soup that I was able to get from that pot. Clearly, it was totally worth it, and I was also able to get my palm oil. And you can clearly see that Nothing is too difficult to make. You can make your own food. Stay tuned, guys. If you enjoy this content, kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends and loved ones. Come back for more. Bye bye.